Welcome back, continuing the news. It all started with a LED light and a phone case. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we share the story of a teenaged boy who turned pocket change into profit. Sandy Williams reports.
Some high schoolers spend their free time scrolling through social media or hanging out with friends. But for 17-year-old Aaden Dunn, a spark of curiosity turned into something much bigger. What began as a simple hustle in the hallways of Kingston College has grown into a thriving business, driven by an unshakable belief that you're never too young to start.
I started at 13 years old, but while going to even primary school, right, I always used to buy and sell candy. Those little, what's it called? The chocolates. I used to buy and sell those because, back in the day, you're a child and, cotton candy and candy overall was the it thing. So it started long before 13. But as I said, I mainly focused my goals on becoming an entrepreneur.
Seeing the potential, he continued buying and selling, turning a modest start into a growing venture, even when doubts came in.
People at my school, right? They said that the goods that I sell were not of good quality.
But inspired by his business-minded family, Aaden learned self-reliance early on, watching his mother buy and sell goods. Handouts were never an option.
I had $100 saved up, right? And what I did was I bought a LED light and I bought a phone case. The reason for that is because, back then I was a immature person. I didn't know that, there are many people out there who are going to try and scam you, for instance. So the cost for shipping and clearing, right, I only budgeted for $100. So I bought one phone case, one LED light, and I brought those phone cases in my bag, that phone case in my bag and that one LED light. I sold them at school. And from that, I continued buying and selling.
From selling candies to LED lights and phone cases to now running a business focused on office and household appliances. And now, pursuing a degree in business administration at UTech, he continues to manage his business with the hope of building it into an empire.
Never give up. There were times back then when I was even bullied for how I sounded, right? Because back then my voice was girly. And there were times when I felt to give up, but I never gave up. But one advice I'd give myself when I was younger is be more confident in yourself, more confident in what you're doing, more confident in yourself to show the world that you are unstoppable.
With the Ray of Hope, I'm Sandy Williams.
Ray